guys, good morning. Welcome back here. Welcome. I'm back here on my YouTube channel. Since I was always absent, it's because of my work and totally. Yun, lakas ng ulan guys. Sobrang lakas. Saka malakas din yung hangin. Hi guys! Today guys, sobrang lakas ng ulan, sobrang lakas ng hangin. And yes, there is a low pressure. And merong bagyo guys. So, alam mo nga naman sa labas, sobrang lakas ng hangin. Ngayon lang din to sobrang lakas ng ulan. So, pumasok sa bahay. And, yun. Hindi ako makagala. I couldn't go out because the heavy rain. I hope everyone of you guys here in the Philippines, wherever you are in the Philippines, so take care. And kasi alam ko madaming baha na ngayon sa mga bahay na lugar. Pero thankful na lang din po ako dito sa sa bahay kasi hindi naman binabaha pero tumulo talaga. So today guys, lagi ko pong pinapasalamatan and I always thanks to all of you guys for the support, even though the others are I don't know, watch full videos, but make sure guys you watch full videos. Every videos that you watching in this video. Pero salamat na rin guys. Salamat ng marami sa inyo guys na sinusuportahan nyo pa rin ako kahit na yung video ko minsan simpleng content lang din naman. It's very simple content that I have on my channel. So I just wanted to thanks to all of you guys. And today is I'm only doing a very short vlog. Gusto ko lang na na meron akong mai-vlog, ganun. Meron lang ako mai-post sa channel ko para hindi ako masyadong absent kasi alam ko naman na almost every day busy ako. I'm so busy in my work at home, so I just need to do some little bit vlog, even small lang, ganun. So, guys, hope you are doing fine. Pasensya nyo na English ko ha, kasi I try my best to vlog in an English language sometimes, because we have an English people, English friends out there. So hopefully guys, take care, and God bless to all of you guys. And of course, congratulations to the winner of Sis Eve's raffle draw yesterday. Congratulations to all of you guys, kasi nanalo kayo. Good luck, and I hope the next raffle draw mananalo na rin ako. Paano ako manalo, hindi ako sumali, di ba? Well, anyways, congratulations to all the winners with Sis Eve Calma's Kitchen last night. So congrats and congratulations. See you guys. Thank you so much for watching my simple vlog and short vlog. See you.